Today we have our annual Preparedness Day. It's a great opportunity to celebrate National Preparedness Month, get the family out here and learn about preparedness for natural disasters and other hazards that may befall the city of El Segundo, and we want to make sure that our residents and our businesses are prepared for those disasters because we want to be able to make sure that people are safe in their homes, safe in their businesses, and can rebound quickly after a disaster when one happens. We have a lot of vendors from hospitals to local businesses, the Air Force bases here. We also have vendors from Marine Animal Rescue, a local nonprofit that rescues the animals on the beaches. The fire department, the police department, of course, are always supporting our preparedness activities and learn how to use a fire extinguisher, learn some CPR, all the good things that you need for disaster preparedness.
I'm here to kind of spread the word of how to prepare in case of a disaster were to happen. Sometimes we all kind of forget that they're to come. So my way is just to letting families know that they can actually do things to prepare in case of anything were to happen.
We want to make sure that they're covered for roughly our supplies are set up for 3 days. So during an emergency, you want to make sure that you've got enough supplies for food and water, first aid, any lighting that might be necessary should the electricity go out. And most recently, Mother Nature was kind enough to remind us that we do live in Southern California and we are susceptible to some of the low shakes that we get from time to time. Should we be having to deal with a major disaster, everyone will be a little bit more knowledgeable and absolutely prepared with their supplies because our emergency prepared individuals, those first responders, are going to be quite busy.
So usually it can take responders up to 2 weeks to come to you if something were to happen. So we want families to be prepared and have the essentials they need in case an emergency were to happen and we weren't able to get to you at a certain time.
The important thing is getting people excited about being prepared, and so this event is really designed to do that.
Oh, I think it's great. I think it's super important. I think every city needs to do that. Like I mentioned, earthquakes and disasters, home fires, they happen all the time, and so the city needs to remind its community that there are ways to prepare, and so I think it's just a great way to get the community together.
The best plan is to make sure that you have everything ahead of schedule. The reason being is that if you wait to the last minute, everyone else is going to be doing the same thing. So the idea is to get everything ahead of schedule. So make sure that you've got your supplies, so should you have to use it, you're prepared.
And the one essential that's always really important to me is water. So making sure that it's 1 gallon per person per family.
The more we educate our public, they will feel more confident to take care of themselves, their family, their neighbors, and the community.
I want every El Segundo resident to have a plan and then have a disaster safety kit that meets the needs of their family, and then also be able to exercise that particular plan from time to time that you can implement when the disaster occurs.